Here I have Samsung Galaxy F23, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change sound source, you can change video quality, you can change selfie video size, you can show taps and touches. So to start recording video, just tap on this button once. Here you also have some settings. Tap start recording, and after the countdown recording starts, you can enable front camera here. You can just record stuff. You can draw something on the screen, do some kind of I don't know, notes. You can pause the recording, then play it again, and to stop recording at all, just tap on the square button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen recordings album. And here is our recording. From here you can share, edit, or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.